Okay, here's a quick run through of the 16-ounce glass beer can tumbler mock-up in Photoshop. When you buy the product, you should get two zip file packs containing the PSDs. So you just unzip those somewhere onto your hard drive and then go back and find out where you've unzipped it. Open up the PSD file. Okay, this is the top layer, which is a space-saving layer, which mysteriously, for some reason, shrinks the size of the file in Photoshop. So you just go to your layer panel and turn that off. And there's the tumbler. Now to get your design on the tumbler, you've got this smart object layer. Now you can either double click this part of it, or you can go to layers, smart objects, edit contents, and there's the text just there. So this is where you put your design. So I'll quickly go and find a design. So you go File, Place Embedded, and then find some artwork, your design. I'll just put anything on for now. Give it a chance to think. Turn off those texts because you don't want that on there, and then resize this. Control T for me on Windows. Oops, let's undo that. Control T. Holding down Shift to keep the aspect ratio. Obviously, you do this as per your design. Just doing a rough and ready at the moment. Right, you've got to close this now. Close that rectangle and say yes. And there you have it on the tumbler. Now, if your design has needs extra reflections, there's a layer here called optional extra reflections that give it a bit more lifelike. Now, obviously, my design there is covering the whole thing. You've probably got something that partially obscures the content, so let's pretend that's the case. It probably doesn't make much sense with this design, but let's go with it. Then to change, if you want, you can change the contents. I've got black coffee here, but you can have warm with ice. Some other options there. You just switch out using this body type. Also, there's different options for your straws. This comes as default with the steel straw, but you could have the curved plastic one or the straight plastic one. Also, you might want to change to not having a lid, which you can do by just hitting that lid, turning that on and off. And the background is also optional. You could turn off the blanks background and either add a new layer and color it, or drop in like place embedded, drop in one of your own designs. And the shadow also is optional. Okay, I think that's everything.